I picked up the Turtle travel neck pillow over a decade ago. I think it came out around 2013 or so. I'm an expat in Japan and I travel internationally and domestically on average of, I guess a dozen flights a year. I think I did 26 at one time. So, because I do a lot of travel, I've come to learn that the only way I can get any sleep is if my head is fully supported. Now, I hate pillows because they're bulky and never quite do the job right, but this was a game changer. It's super lightweight, highly packable, and comfortable AF even if compared to traditional U-shaped pillows. The design supports my neck in a way that keeps my head from flopping forward when I'm trying to nap on a plane or train for that matter, and that's made long journeys noticeably more restful. And in addition to being lightweight and easy to have in my carry-on without taking up too much space, the washable cover is also a nice touch. Its basic composition is fleece, Velcro, and this plastic flexible bone structure inside. Very simple and brilliant design. So I don't have to worry about it getting permanently nasty from all my dribbles coming out of my mouth. If I'm honest, though, it's not a miracle cure for every seating situation. If the seat reclines a ton or if I'm in an upright position, I still have to shift to find the most comfortable spot. Also, there's only really support on one side of this, so you have to know which side you tend to lean into. Of course, you can tighten up the Velcro to wrap around your whole face, but that might not be the most comfortable and the best situation for everyone. But for most flights and long rides, it's definitely more supportive and ergonomic than the basic foam pillows. Overall, I reach for this one every time I'm going to be in transit for a while. Highly recommend.